I used to believe that if I just focus hard enough on one type of photography, everything else would just fall into place. For me, that niche was landscape photography. And creatively, I really don't regret it at all. Landscape photography taught me patience. It taught me how to read the light, how to wait for the right moment, and most importantly, to just slow down. Those lessons to this day still shape how I see every photograph I make. But professionally, I missed something very important. Landscape photography is one of the hardest genres to turn into a reliable living. It's seasonal, it's weather dependent, it's oversaturated, and I didn't fully understand that until much later. I wasn't wrong creatively, but I was putting all my eggs into just one basket. Now, the problem wasn't that I just loved one niche of photography. The real problem was preparing for just one outcome. Photography careers do change. Markets shift, your energy changes, your body changes, and if your skills only work in one narrow lane, it really doesn't take much to feel stuck. What I eventually learned is that photographers don't need to abandon their core beliefs, but they do need range. Learning how to use flash, for example, it didn't turn me into a different photographer, but it did make me a better one. Suddenly, I had control instead of just waiting for the perfect light. I understood light direction, contrast, and mood on a much deeper level, even outdoors. Learning basic video skills didn't replace my photography either. It sharpened my storytelling, it improved my composition, it forced me to think in sequences instead of just a single frame. And in today's world, that skill alone can open doors that doing just photography can't. Even learning the unglamorous stuff like writing a business contract, it changed everything. It gave structure to my work. It protected my time and my photos. And it turned my photography from just shooting into something sustainable. Now, none of these skills compromise my values at all. They strengthen them. Your style isn't defined by a niche. It's defined by how you see light, how you tell stories, your composition, and how you intentionally are. Portraits teach connection. Events teach anticipation. Product work teaches precision. And video, well, it teaches flow. Business skills teach longevity. And let me tell you, it's the business skills that take a long time to learn. Photography came much quicker for me than the business skills. You don't have to chase everything, but you do need enough tools to adjust when life pushes you in a new direction. Now, if you're a beginner, here's the truth I wish I heard much sooner when I began photography. Start with what you love. If you love doing landscape, great. If you love doing portraits, great. Build your foundation there. learn the exposure triangle, composition, etc. But learn broadly enough that you're never boxed in by a single path. That is not being a sellout. That is just future proofing your photography. Right now I'm doing toy photography. It's helping me with my product photography. It's helping me with my portrait photography in regards to posing. It made my lighting skills better. I tell you, it's just, and also it brought the joy that was missing, that I had when I first started landscape photography. I started losing it. It started getting, I don't want to say boring, but it just became so easy to do landscape photography. And I don't mean that in a cocky way, in any way, shape, or form. It's just like, it just became so routine and mundane. I still enjoy landscape photography. I think Mother Nature is beautiful, and I think that no one knows how to paint better than our Lord God. I mean, go see a beautiful sunrise sometime and just stand there and look at it. That'll prove it right there. But doing different niches, I got into portrait photography more. I got into my toy photography when I got injured. It just taught me more about photography. So don't be afraid to learn different niches. I know they tell you that you need to focus on one niche and only advertise, one niche and blah, 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 blah. You know what? That's not going to pay the bills, and you're going to get stuck eventually. Okay. So keep learning. That's the key. Keep learning. Have a blessed Christmas, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please click that like and subscribe button as usual. And until next time, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year if I don't see you.